Okay, so this is the web application with images for properties and a table displaying the property IDs, the owner, and the manager. So on here, we have creating the table, all the other like information up top here, making the table with the headings of each thing, the big query that does multiple joins, it joins the owner's IDs and with the people and owns table in order to get the first and last names, um, joins owns with the to get the property ID and the like to get the property ID on property and on owns. And then from there does a left join because it needs to get the manager's IDs on people and property where because there's some managers that are blank for certain houses. And so from collecting all that information, it then gets uh, first name, last name, the first name of the manager, last name of the manager, and the property ID, and puts it uh, into the table with this while loop. So that is how we make the first table. All this is getting information here from this page, and so then the next one is a link to average PHP, which is another table which only has to join the property and house tables to get to match which IDs are houses, and then it makes a loop that gets the costs, the monthly rents, and finds the average. That the same thing happens for apartments and rooms. This and it looks like this on the page. It just takes you to another one, shows a simple table. So then we have view and manage rental groups, which takes you here. This makes just connects it to the database, gets the rental group data here, which is where the radio buttons come in. And it gets all the codes of the rental groups to display them all. And then for the first button, the submit button will view the rental group, which will then take you to get rental groups, where it just makes a simple table getting all the information of, of the preferences of each rental group. Here we will look at this one. There you go, all the preferences. And then the other button, edit rental group, will take you to edit rental group, which does the exact same thing as the other one, displays them, but it displays the table as a text box, which can be edited to change the value of the preference. So we'll check this, the first one, edit the rental group. We see all the preferences with boxes where we can edit them. So let's edit number of bedrooms from 2 to 3. And then you hit submit changes. And the new preferences of the group is displayed here, which is in this one because it's the submit button here takes you to this page, which um, gets the new values from the old ones and then makes the table off the new ones. So you could edit them all and they would update here and display here. And now we have this changed from number of bedrooms to 3. So if we go back and we view the rental group here, we will see that now it is 3 bedrooms instead of the 2. So each feature of the web application works.